So hello, welcome to Scientific Spark. So today in this video I'm going to show you the cool feature of these Google Earths. For example, you have to click here, so you can switch to map. You can see you can switch to map and you can switch to satellite 3D. Okay, you can see clean, no border, label places or roads. You can see uh, everything, all borders, label and place. Click here. We can okay. You will see all the borders and other things. Okay, for example, you can 3D buildings, you can add grid lines, so you can see uh, pole and equator. So you can see Antarctic circle. Okay, you can also add clouds. You can see these clouds. You can and its movement, you can see live movements. So let me cut off. Okay, so now cool feature. For example, you have to click here, tools. So measurement, so you can measure this place to, for example, this. You can see length. Okay, so you can search like this. And okay, now another tool here is where is it? Okay, here is add. You can see the path of polygon. For example, if you want to measure this place and this place, okay, wait a second, close it and you can see the area. Where is it? Path of polygon. Okay, where is path of polygon? Okay, forget about it. Let's see here and cut it. Okay, path of polygon. Okay, measure this to there, to here, to here. So you can see, you can see parameter, area, uh, elevation estimate. So delete it. Other features, like show street views, show historical images, show, what is this, base map setting. Okay, this is setting, place mark, data layer. What is data layer? Oh, there's something, some data here. I don't understand what is this. Let's click. Oh, this need to be upgraded. What's upgraded? There is a premium version of Google Map. What? Oh, oh, but they are all free. Okay, everything is free. Oh, $0. Okay, try. You will. Okay, there is I think 30 days free plan. You can. Let's see what is this. Select data layer. Selected now. Okay, what's cancel it? I don't understand what is this. So there is also tool like what is, this is a path of polygon. So you can measure the distance from here to here, for example. So you can see 419.32 kilometer. So you can see add. Okay, you can add place mark. So measure distance, show historical images. So historical images, for you have to click here to map. Without it you can't see historical images, I think, as per my knowledge. Oh, look at this. What? Wait a second. What is, oh, cut it. Oh, sorry, cut it. This is historical images. No, historical images, mode temporarily disable 3D building for optical view. Okay, let's see how old it can show me. 1931. What is 1931? Let's see. Where is the USA? Is it is India? Let's see. Oh, there is no building here. Oh, this is a historical. Okay, that's all we can do here. I think nothing is. What is okay? Data layers. Okay, cancel it. Oh, edit file. Okay, import project new local kml. Okay, okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon.